Hey guys, it's Lacey Elizabeth. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something amazing. Yes, for the month of December, I told you guys, we're doing a holiday series. We're talking full glam. That's right, the whole thing. So we're doing this amazing eyeshadow look today. So if you guys want to see it, definitely stay tuned, keep watching. In today's video, we're going to be playing with the brand new Morphe palette right here. This is the big Primpin 35X palette by Morphe. This is their holiday palette. Now, if you guys have similar colors at home, but you don't have this bad boy right here, that's okay. Grab your palettes and follow along. Let's get into this video. So today I'm going to be concentrating on the lower half of the palette, these beautiful rose tones and these vibrant copper, glimmering, beaming metallics. I think they're so gorgeous. So we're going to be concentrating here. So to start from my transition, I'm actually going to pick up this one. It's just called Freshen Up. So cute. I love the name. Tap that off. I'm just going to place that right here in my transition, bringing it all the way down to my inner corner, because this is going to be quite dramatic, very smoky, sultry, and sexy. Perfect for the holidays. I'm just going to pick up a little bit more. What I love about Morphe is that it's so affordable, it blends out, you don't have much fallout, and I mean, the colors are fantastic, right? It's amazing. All right, so I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the color Bloom Out. Again, just tapping a little bit of that off. I'm going to go in, I'm concentrating right here in the center of the lid. Okay, these colors are amazing. Again, I am using a fluffy brush for this. I'm just taking that and blending right there in the transition. And now I'm going to move into the inner corner with whatever is left on my brush. That's amazing, right? Isn't that color everything? It's just fabulous. All right, so next I'm going to take a MAC 234. This is a dual fiber brush. I'm going to take the synthetic side, and I'm actually going to pick up this one called Total Inspo. Loving the names, so cute. I'm going to tap that off on the back of my wrist, and I'm going to apply this literally just right here on that outer edge. Right there on the lid. Now let's go in with that exact same brush we were using to blend out our transition shades. And I'm just going to blend out this color. We want a really nice gradient. So just keep blending until you get that effect. What I love about these holiday looks that I'm creating for you guys is that you guys can follow along. Use similar shades, use what you've got, and it's going to turn out fabulous. The next shade I'm going to pick up is called Matte Max. And this is like a really dark mahogany, burgundy, you know, beautiful, stunning shade. I'm just going to pick that up. This is actually a Morphe by Ariel brush, and oh, this is a A29. I'm going to just deepen up this color right here on the outer corner. What do you guys think of this color? Isn't this gorgeous? It's just fabulous. Love that. So up next, I'm going to take a P. Louise. This is a number 118 brush. It's a little, you know, soft, fluffy pencil brush. I'm going to dip into the color Smoke Show, which is the deepest shade in the palette. I'm going to just apply this just to my upper lash line. I'm just dragging that color across. This is just going to give the lid even more dimension, especially when we apply those foiled shades. Now I'm actually going to go in with this one right here called Shazam, and this is a beautiful, like an antique copper color. It's absolutely stunning. I'm going to go in with my ring finger, and I'm just going to apply this right here to the center of my lid. Isn't that color amazing? Now I did go in with a dry finger, with a dry lid, And that's the color. Isn't that amazing? I do have a little bit of fallout right here. I am gonna grab a fluffy brush and just gonna brush that away. Now I'm gonna go back in with that same Smith brush, in this case, that we have been using. And I'm just going to just gently, you know, buff out around the edges before we go in with our final shade for the top of the eye. Let's go in with this color right here called Born to Stun. This is a gorgeous shade. I'm actually going to apply this one to my inner corner. Isn't that gorgeous? Love that. I'm just going to pick up a little bit more of that product. Again, we're going to take that same Smith brush, that blending brush that we've been using. Just going to blend that out right there. I want to do a little bit of smoke out on the lower lash line, and to do that I'm going to use a small angular brush. So just pick any small angular brush that you've got in front of you. I grabbed this one. This is a Scott Barnes number 60. I'm going to go into this beautiful shimmer shade right here. This one is called This Is Major, which is such a cute name. Love that name. Tapping this off because I don't want glitter all over my face, or shimmer in this case. I'm just going to go in right here, my lower lash line. And I'm just going to add a little line of shimmer right there. And then I'm going to take the brush and go in the opposite direction. Now, with that same brush, I'm going to go into Born to Stun. Tap that off. And I'm just going to apply a little bit right here in my inner corner at the bottom. And then just kind of work it into that other shimmer color so we have a nice gradient. That's stunning, right? So cute. I'm gonna go in and do my mascara off camera, and I will be right back because I'm gonna do an amazing cat eye with eyeliner, and then I'm gonna go in and drag this out with some really, really pretty glitter liner, and we're going to have this amazing kind of Bella Hadid inspired Christmas eye. Now that I've done the other side through the magic of YouTube, I'm gonna go in and with my liner. The liner I'm using is this one right here. This one is called the Better Than Love Too Faced Easy Glide Waterproof Eyeliner. This one is so good. The wand on it, the little brush for getting that amazing cat eye effect and that wing that you want for a kind of glam holiday look. At least that's what we're going for today. I'm gonna use this liner. Now, if you guys don't have this liner, go ahead, do your wing, do your cat eye with whatever liner you guys have. I'm sure you have one that you really love to use. Starting at the tip where I want the liner to end, that's where I start, and then I drag it back this way. And then I disconnect where I need to. I'm just gonna go in, repeat that on the other eye. Now, we're going to do something with glitter liner. I've got this gold one right here. This happens to be a Dazzle liner from MAC. I have no idea if they still even make this. This has been in my makeup kit for maybe a year or two now, but not to fret. Go in with any glitter liner that you've got, and this is going to work out amazing. So to start, I'm gonna start in the center of my lid and then swipe out and follow that wing all the way to the end. I'm not going right into the inner tip. Do you guys see how I kind of just feathered it right into the black liner right there? That's kind of the look that you're going for, just a straight line, and just wing it out at the end. This is stunning. This looks holiday ready, 100%. Let's go in, repeat on the other side. Let's go in and apply some really deep, the deepest black eyeliner that you've got. Grab that, girls, and we're going to apply that to our waterline. If you're not into applying liner to your waterline, totally feel free to skip this step. I just feel like a little bit more smoky and dramatic is going to make this look pop. But if you guys want to use like a nude liner even, or even a copper liner, do it. This brings us to the end of this holiday look. Let me know in the comments down below what you're using to recreate this look, and then also tag me on Instagram because I totally want to see the finished product. Now, in our next video, we are going to be doing, of course, Scott Barnes. Yes, JLo's makeup artist, and I'm totally turning that brand new palette into a gorgeous holiday look. So you want to definitely hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss when I drop that video. All right, guys, until next time, Live, love, and lip gloss. Bye, guys.